With this feeling I can leave. I'm walking and I'm here. Will you dare to give it over and walk by my side? Do you see the road? Do you hear its call? Do you want a part of it? Just getting me apart now. Just getting me apart now.
Please don't throw your trash anywhere, especially plastics.
Yeah.
Pick up plastics in the ocean.
Okay, I will.
Take care of our planet, guys. Yeah, don't throw it in the ocean.
See the sun goes down, driving light in hearts, counting trees around. This is our day to treat. My heart it's cursed with you. My heart is cursed with you. Just get me With this feeling I can leave. I'm walking and I'm here. Will you dare to give it over and walk by my side? Do you see the road? Do you hear its call? Do you want a part of it? Just getting me apart now. Just getting me apart now.
There you have it. That's the underwater scene here in San Vicente Marine Sanctuary, and you can feed the fish. Just bring bread or Even your leftover food can be fed to the fish. This area is just one of the areas you need to visit in Olango. There's a lot of areas you can visit in Olango actually. There's a lot. There are restaurants that offer seafood, that's special seafood. You can see there are a lot of pump boats. They're also swimming, some are scuba diving and free diving. So recently Seahorse partnered with Pawikan Dive Center, so you can also avail of packages for scuba diving here on board the Seahorse Houseboats and Yachts Cebu. So how much is the rate if they want to scuba dive?
The regular rate is 5,500 and the promo now is 35,500. That includes complete scuba diving equipment with lunch buffet.
Okay, so
Two dives, that's two dives.
that's 2 dives and you dive with a dive master.
Yeah, with
So
dive
the fee is already enough for the gear, for the food, and for of course staying on board the yacht. Yeah, it comes along already or inclusive of your houseboat and yacht experience. So guys, what are you waiting for? Come and visit Seahorse Houseboats and Yachts Cebu, and don't forget the discount code. You can use my code. It's SeahorseMaan. See you later.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.